A Surat rolling stock depot spread across 27 hectares is being developed as a state-of-the-art maintenance facility for India's first bullet train project. The depot will feature dedicated lines, daily and regular inspection lines, a wheel lathe line and an unscheduled repair line, each designed for a specific level of maintenance. Inside the inspection shed, maintenance will be carried out at multiple levels: under frame inspection, floor level checks and roof level inspection, ensuring every component of the train set can be thoroughly examined. The CNC underfloor wheel lathe will reshape worn wheel profiles to precise standards without removing the wheels, which is critical for safe high-speed operations. As construction and installation progress, more advanced machines and equipment will be added to strengthen the depot's capabilities. Together, these facilities will ensure the safe, reliable and efficient operation of India's first bullet train project.